Experiencing a no remote detected message in your 2015-2020 Cadillac Escalade is a common issue when the key fob battery dies. This prevents the vehicle from starting normally. First, use the mechanical key hidden inside your fob to unlock the driver's door. Then, with the dead fob in the vehicle, place it near the start button. Press the brake pedal firmly and push the engine start button. This leverages the system's proximity detection, often allowing the engine to start despite the dead fob battery. Note that this is a temporary fix. It's essential to replace the fob battery, CR 2032, as soon as possible. If the bypass method fails, ensure the fob is as close as possible to the start button. If problems persist, your Escalade's battery may be weak, requiring a jump start. For long-term solutions, replace the fob battery. Experts show battery failure accounts for 65% of no remote detected instances. Consider having a spare programmed fob. Aftermarket fobs cost $50 to $150 from reputable companies, while dealerships charge $200 to $500. Proactive battery checks every 2 years are recommended. For newer models, look into digital keys or aftermarket smartphone integration.